MK1 Ford Focus, shifter, ignore the horrible knob, in gear, forward and back play, not really side to side but forward and back play in every gear. So what you do is come to this side, go underneath, just cut this in. I forgot to add it earlier before I did the job. You'll get under the car, you'll see the bell housing here, and then you'll see this plastic cover. This is where your shift linkage is, and your clutch linkage is there too, I think. So you'll just need to undo these clips around the side, and this front cover will come off. I took this bolt out. I don't know if you need to. It's an 8mm bolt, but you can just pop these clips off and take this plastic cover off, and that's where you'll find all your exposed linkage that you'll see later in the video. And you see the white thing, this thing here, that's the cable from your shifter linkage, and that's the shifter arm there. And there's a bush that sits inside this white thing. The bush is just turned to plastic, hard plastic, and it's disintegrated. So here's your play. So here's my bodge solution. One of these. That is a plastic sleeve for a cymbal stand for a drum kit. It's the right diameter. So we can pull this out. I'll push it up actually and test that fits on. Yeah, and it'll go inside the white thing like that, onto there like that. No more play. So now all we need to do is work out a solution for just capping this on the end, making sure it's captive so it doesn't come off while you're driving. Here's what I've ended up with after a lot of pain and effort with some sandpaper. I've sanded this down so it's the right height, and I've left a little flange on it. I was initially going to put the I'm going to use a zip tie. I mean, you should use a circlip because there's actually an indent for a circlip on the shaft, but I don't have any and I can't be bothered. So I was initially going to put the zip tie on this side, which I thought would be more secure, but as it happens I think it's going to fit better if I have the, I mean, you'll see what I mean. Anyway, let's put this in. So here we have a newly bushed shift linkage. There's no play in that at all, that's not going anywhere. And you can see my sanded down cymbal sleeve just there, and now it's time to get a zip tie on. So there we go. There's a zip tie just there. There's an indent on this shaft here on the shift arm that's normally designed for a circlip. I've just stuck a zip tie in there. It's solid as a rock. This has no play anymore. Let's go and see how it looks from inside the car. So I'll cut in some before and after here, but that's way better. It's just basically no play in that now. Side to side but forward and back play in every gear. In comparison to before, a little bit, but I think that's just in the actual linkage itself. It feels way better, feels way tighter. Job done. Thanks for watching.